Come test drive the 2011 Cruze. The Cruze blueprint calls for more than you'd expect. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, front wheel drive. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.